Want to know exactly where big buyers and sellers are hiding in the market? Today we are looking at a powerful tool called the Volume Trend Order Block Engine. It is designed to clear up the confusion on your charts and show you exactly where prices might bounce next. Let's look at how it works. First, look at the background colors. This is the trend cloud. When the cloud is green, the market is moving up. You should look to buy. When the cloud is red, the market is moving down. You should look to sell. It tells you the market direction instantly, so you never trade against the trend. Next, look at these big colored boxes. These are called order blocks. They show areas where heavy buying or selling happened in the past. What makes this tool special is that it splits each box into two parts based on volume. Inside the box, you can see an exact percentage text: buy 56% and sell 44%. This tells you exactly who is stronger inside that area, the buyers or the sellers. How do you use it to trade? It is simple. Watch for the little cross symbols on your screen. When the price drops down, touches a green box, and a cross appears, it is a buy signal. When the price goes up, touches a pink box, and a cross appears, it is a sell signal. If the price completely breaks past a box, the indicator deletes it automatically to keep your chart clean. This free tool does all the hard math for you, combining trends and volume into one simple picture. Find it at the description below, but if you want to take your trading to the next level, check out our Market Core Toolkit. This is our all-in-one setup that shows you major order blocks, high time frame footprints, draws channel patterns with clear breakout signals, and profit targets automatically, and even provide complex step alerts so you don't need to check the charts every minute. Check the link below to try it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy trading tools. See you next time.